Current time is 12:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here are some river levels reported this morning. On the Ohio River, Markland Lock Upper was 12.7, Markland Lock Lower was 34.5, McAlpin Upper was 17.1, McAlpin Lower 46.7, Cannelton Lock and Dam Upper was 19.0, Cannelton Lock and Dam Lower was 44.5, on the Blue River, Fredericksburg 5.1, White Cloud 4.5, on the Rolling Fork River, Boston 24.5, on the Salt River, Shepherdsville 15.9. Here are some nearby reservoir levels. Dolan River Lake 555.8, Patoka Lake 543.0, Taylorsville Lake 580.0. Noon Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions across north central Kentucky and south central Indiana. At Louisville International, it was cloudy. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 57, and the relative humidity 50%. The wind was west at 14 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.83 inches and steady. At Bowman Field, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity 57%. The wind was southwest at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 22. The pressure was 29.83 inches and steady. At Jasper, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 73 degrees, the dew point 60, and the relative humidity 63%. The wind was variable at 5 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.85 inches and steady. Once again, at Louisville International it was 77 degrees under cloudy skies. Elsewhere around the region, at Paducah, it was sunny, with a temperature of 73. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 75 at Frankfort, 79 at Nashville, and 74 at Evansville. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 73 at Lexington, 72 at Covington, 71 at Jackson, 76 at Bowling Green, and 70 at Bloomington. At Indianapolis, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 69. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, your best source for 24-hour-a-day weather information. The station is KIH 43, broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Louisville, on a transmitter located in Floyd County, Indiana on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 3:23 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time, for portions of southern Indiana and central Kentucky. For today and tonight, showers and thunderstorms are forecast to develop along a cold front this afternoon and evening. Some of the storms could be strong to severe, with the highest risk of severe weather being possible across the bluegrass region of central Kentucky. The primary severe weather hazards will be large hail and damaging wind gusts. An isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. And now the extended outlook for the period Tuesday through Sunday. Showers and thunderstorms may return to the region later this week and into this weekend. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation may be required this afternoon and evening. More information, along with other weather, hydrological and climate information can be found at weather.gov/Louisville. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for north central Kentucky and south central Indiana, including the Louisville metro area. Today, mostly cloudy. Chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms early in the afternoon. Chance of thunderstorms late in the afternoon.
The storms on
Highs in
Saturday.
the upper 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation
That's
50%.
no fun.
Tonight,
Gonna be
mostly cloudy with a
thunderstorms
50% chance of thunderstorms until midnight, then partly cloudy after midnight. Lows in the upper 40s. West winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Tuesday, cooler, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. West winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour.